Okay, Katie, so we smoked these for 45 minutes at 275 indirect. And what that did was it helped render the pepper, cooked all the cheese inside, and it renders the skin to a point. But now we're gonna get them on a direct grill and crisp them up. And that's gonna take about 10 to 12 minutes.
All right.
All right, so let's get them on the grill. You wanna open that for me?
Yep. Help you out.
All right, we're gonna lay them on that top shelf there.
Now, how long do we put these on here?
Nice and easy.
I'm being easy.
Don't manhandle these things. Hear that sizzle?
Beautiful.
Beautiful, right? All right,
Yep.
we'll close that up.
Okay.
And then we'll give it about 10 minutes and we'll check on them.
Sounds good.